Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ruan, and on this video we're going to take a look in the 16-piece HellermannTyton Electrical Toolkit. Let's dive right into it. First of all, we have 4 different sizes of flathead or slotted screwdrivers. They are all 1000-volt insulated. I don't know if you can see there, but there's the big one, middle one, small one, terminal one. This last one also doubles up as a voltage splitter. With those, we've got the 3 sizes of Phillips screwdrivers, also 1000-volt insulated. All of these screwdrivers has a very comfortable grip to make sure that we can make very tight connections. I really like it. Next up, we have this very strong, very sharp diagonal cutters to cut through anything. Very handy tool and very comfortable. Then we have this very tiny needle nose, also very comfortable, and it's nice for those hard to reach areas. Grab things, keep the wires in the terminals while you fasten it. Then we have the famous combination plier with a cutting edge there, grip part there, and a flat edge for twisting wires. Next up, we've got the crimping tool with a nice sharp edge at the end of the mouth, and at the back of the mouth we have indent crimping with very large handles, nice comfortable grip, so we can apply enough pressure to make sure the crimpings are crimped correctly. Then we have this HellermannTyton LED headlamp, very bright, few settings there, as well as a setting so you can switch it on and off using motion. Then we have this retractable utility knife, very sharp, very handy, very comfortable. Next up, we have this 200mm adjustable wrench for different sizes of nuts and bolts that need to be tightened or loosened. Also nice grip, and it looks like it's made out of good quality. Lastly, in this bag we have this Allen key set with different sizes of Allen keys. Always necessary when you're on a beach. Last but not least, we have this HellermannTyton tester. The code is T235H. It has variable settings so you can test for testing. It has AC volts, DC volts, AC amps, DC amps, continuity testing. It has temperature testing, diode testing, resistance testing, very big, large scale. It has farad for capacitors, as well as HFE, so you can test your transistors. Nice flashlight at the back as well. Good tester to have. I've had one for a lot of years and it is very reliable. So that is what is in the 16-piece HellermannTyton toolkit for electricians. So if you want to become an apprentice or a handyman, DIY, this toolkit could help you. It's a nice grab and go bag. I'll leave a link of this toolkit in the description So please have a look at that. Thanks for watching. Let's get it done. Hope to see you guys soon.